Hello and welcome to another episode of Travel Chef. And today we are going to make a strawberry custard. Now there was a lot of strawberries in the market, so we thought of buying something. At least during the strawberry season, let's buy some strawberries. We made it into a strawberry syrup, and that strawberry syrup we have mixed it along with the custard to make the strawberry custard. So let's see how is it made, and it's a very simple recipe. Do come on and join us with us to see the strawberry, how we make this, how a strawberry custard. We have got two boxes of strawberries, which is around 200 grams each, and there's a lot of abundance of strawberries in the market, so we thought of making something with the strawberries. Now we have chopped our strawberries and we'll be moving with the next step. Now we take a clean saucepan, drop in all the chopped strawberries. Now we have dropped all the strawberries. Next we light our stove. Now we add 5 teaspoons of sugar. As the strawberry gets heated, add little water. Next we mix all these ingredients together. We are adding another 3 teaspoons of sugar, but however sugar is not mandatory that you need to add, but depends on the taste. Suppose you need more sweetness in your strawberry syrup, you can add more sugar. Now we need to cover it and wait for it to cook on low flame. Now the first step to make a custard, we have taken 500 ml of milk, of which we are going to keep 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk separately. Now we kept 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk. This we will be mixing it with the custard on a later stage. Next we are going to boil our milk for making a custard. Now our syrup is almost getting ready. Simultaneously we are boiling our milk for the custard, and that too is happening side by side. Now to the boiling milk we are adding 5 teaspoons of sugar. This is to make a custard. Now we added 5 teaspoons of sugar. Next we need to stir it a bit to ensure that the sugar melts with the milk. Now for a milk that we have kept aside, we are going to mix 2 tablespoons of custard powder. The second tablespoon of custard powder. Mix these ingredients together. So this is a custard powder. This is a custard powder mixture. Now we mix this custard powder mixture along with the milk that is boiling. Continuously stir it together. Continuously stir these ingredients together until the milk thickens. Now our strawberry syrup is thickened, and we need to continuously stir this strawberry syrup, else it will get thickened and it might get burnt. So that's the reason. Now our custard is ready. Now it has got a little thickened, and we need to take it off the stove, keep it aside for cooling. Now we switched off our stove, and we need to keep it aside. Once it's cool, we need to refrigerate it. We are continuously stirring this custard on low flame after it boils. Now we have taken this custard off the stove, and we need to continuously stir this custard because there will be a formation of cream. And this we don't want it to happen while making our custard with strawberry. Now our custard is cooled down and it is a little thickened. Now we pour it into a bowl and we wait for it to cool down a little more before placing it in the fridge. So this is our custard. Now our custard is set. We had kept it for an hour in the refrigerator, and now it is set. Now the strawberry syrup is ready, and this will be placed on top of the custard. Slowly. This involves a little care while placing the strawberry syrup, thickened syrup, on top of the custard. Be sure you do not upset the custard. Now a strawberry custard is ready to be served with the garnishing of strawberry itself. Here's our custard. Now, once we scoop it out, we have one layer of custard and another layer of strawberry syrup on top of it. This is the custard and it's ready to be eaten. Bon appetit! We hope you liked watching our video, and we request you to like, share and comment on our channel if you found our videos really useful as well as informative. Also, if you found making the strawberry custard pretty easy, please share it with your friends too. Also, don't forget to post your comments telling us how it came out. This will really help us to improve our programming content. Well, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel once again. And until the next video, take care, stay safe and see you soon. Bye bye.